Hello friends. Did you know that a simple cup of tea could help keep your heart healthy? It's true. Today, we're going to talk about 5 amazing herbal teas that can help lower your blood pressure and even unclog your arteries. Imagine sipping a warm cup of tea that's not just tasty, but also making you healthier. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which teas to drink to keep your heart strong and happy. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 powerful herbal teas. Ready to learn more? Let's get started. Number 1. Hibiscus Tea. Let's start with one of the most beautiful teas, hibiscus tea. This tea is made from the petals of the hibiscus flower, and it's not just a pretty drink. It's actually been shown to help lower blood pressure naturally. When you drink hibiscus tea, it works like magic to help your blood vessels relax. This makes it easier for your heart to pump blood, which lowers your blood pressure. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that help fight off bad stuff in your body. So, the next time you're feeling stressed, why not brew yourself a nice cup of hibiscus tea? It's a simple way to give your heart some love. Number 2. Green tea. Next up is a tea that's famous all around the world, green tea. Did you know that people in Japan drink green tea every day and are known to live very long, healthy lives? One of the reasons is because green tea helps clean out your arteries. Green tea is full of something called catechins, which help break down plaque in your arteries. Plaque is like sticky gunk that builds up and makes it hard for blood to flow. Drinking green tea helps keep your arteries nice and clear. Green tea also has a mild, pleasant flavor, so it's easy to drink every day. Give it a try and keep your heart strong. Number 3. Garlic tea. Now, here's one you might not expect, garlic tea. Yes, you heard me right. Garlic isn't just for cooking. It can be made into a tea that's super good for your heart. Garlic tea helps lower your blood pressure and gets rid of cholesterol in your arteries. It contains something called allicin, which is a powerful compound that helps your heart stay healthy. If the taste of garlic tea seems a little strong, don't worry. You can add some honey or lemon to make it tastier. Trust me, it's worth it for the heart benefits. Number 4. Ginger tea. Next on our list is ginger tea. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to help with all sorts of health problems, and it's also great for your heart. Ginger tea helps to improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure. It works by helping your blood vessels relax, just like hibiscus tea does. And it's also great for reducing inflammation, which can help keep your arteries clear and healthy. Plus, ginger tea has a spicy, warming flavor that's super comforting. It's a great way to stay healthy while enjoying a delicious cup of tea. Number 5. Rooibos tea. Last but not least, we have Rooibos tea. This tea comes from South Africa, and it's not only delicious, but also fantastic for your heart. Rooibos tea is packed with antioxidants that help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. It's also caffeine-free, which means you can drink it any time of day without worrying about feeling jittery. The best part? Rooibos tea has a naturally sweet flavor, so you don't even need to add sugar. It's a wonderful way to keep your heart healthy and your taste buds happy. So, there you have it. 5 herbal teas to lower blood pressure and unclog arteries: hibiscus tea, green tea, garlic tea, ginger tea, and Rooibos tea, that can help lower your blood pressure and keep your arteries clean. Drinking these teas is such a simple and relaxing way to take care of your heart. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.